What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Lil Wavi, and today we're gonna be reacting to sex offender flips stolen homeland security after 120-mile-per-hour police chase. Police. Long ass title for no reason, but let's get into it.
Walk backwards. Walk backwards.
I gave my best shot. I'm not going nowhere else.
It's 9 a.m. in Portland, Oregon, where we join police in a high-speed chase involving a suspect in, get this, a stolen Homeland Security vehicle. Here, the driver veers onto the shoulder before picking up speed, and it isn't long until our suspect tries again to outmaneuver officers. Let's switch gears as another officer joins in on the pursuit, right on our suspect's tail. The driver, later identified as 43-year-old Travis Greigla, reportedly took off after federal agents detained him during an investigation. Court reports indicate Travis was originally in the passenger seat of that stolen vehicle, unhandcuffed while his home was searched. And when a federal agent allegedly revealed they had possession of his cell phone, that's when Travis, well, let's just say, took full advantage of that opportunity.
That nigga got on,
Let's jump
boy.
ahead as officers catch up with the dangerous driver.
My thing is, what's in your phone that you want to take off? He must have either got, oh, he's a sex offender.
Did you catch that? One officer throws a spike strip that our suspect appears to avoid. Let's get another look at that from a new perspective.
They're in lane 3 right now.
My damn mic keep almost falling. I keep fucking with it. I know y'all hear it, my bad. But like, this nigga don't know what Pornhub is. Nigga, if you that damn thirsty to see some young cheeks, nigga, go to the teen section on that shit, weirdo. Or you don't like that because you know that it ain't really a teenager. It's just somebody that look young. You weird ass nigga. It was like, damn, bro. And then they got your phone, and you start panicking. What's in your phone? What do you have there, buddy? Is it stuff of you in there? Is it stuff that you found on the dark web or some shit? Why do I got this up? But what's going on here? Because I'm trying to figure it out. And you going 120 miles per hour? Lil RT only did 60 fucking miles on him. You doing double that? Oh, you guilty. Whatever they think this nigga did, he did it.
They're in lane 3 right now. I think Brady just did. Lane 3 still. They're at 35. They're coming out. Lane 3. They're less than a mile away. Here he comes. They're coming up on 36. We've got 2 sets of spikes here. Here he is. That's him.
Him right there. There you go. Nah, I know where the nigga was. He right there. He hit it. Damn.
don't know if they got him or not.
I don't think they did.
Maybe one.
From this angle, Travis appears to just barely hit the spike strip, but officers later deploy another that's not caught on camera. Keep this in mind for later. Back in pursuit of our suspect, the driver speeds past two semi-trucks, putting some space between himself and the officers, as the semis try to make way for police.
Man, them big ass trucks. What they gonna do?
Reports show speeds reached over 100 miles per hour as this chase spanned nearly 60 miles.
Boy, this
Now,
nigga did some
Travis
shit.
darts off an exit, but this officer isn't backing down.
Something in that phone. Something crazy. I always look at myself right here when I try to talk to y'all.
Jumping right back on the highway, officers continue their pursuit. Again, the desperate driver tries to throw off
pit maneuver this
officers
nigga.
by making a brief exit. Take a look. It's here we can see the vehicle has suffered a blow to the front driver's side tire.
Oh yeah.
That isn't slowing down our suspect just yet. Travis tries
That shit
again
leaning.
for his signature exit fake-out move
No.
when this pursuit is about to come to a screeching halt.
No, you don't even got no tire no more, nigga. You on a rim. Trying to do all that turning, stupid ass nigga. Pit maneuver. Stupid. That's what your ass get.
Classic pit maneuver stops our
They flipped
classic
it.
pit maneuvers.
They flipped his dumb ass.
A classic pit maneuver stops our suspect in his tracks.
Damn.
Let's rewind and take another look
Yeah, let
at
me
how
see
this
that.
unfolded.
Let me see that.
From this
Damn.
angle, we can see the stolen Homeland Security vehicle overturned in the crash. Moments later, Travis emerges from the wreckage, and we get our first look at the suspect.
Damn, Travis. This nigga Travis still got his glasses on his head after being
More
flipped. And his
officers
hat, my
arrive at
nigga.
the scene as officers work to get Travis under control.
Walk back this way, dude, now! Watch the guy. Somebody shut this siren off.
It's his.
That car, right?
It's his car.
Okay.
Yeah, for real, turn that shit off.
That's suspect car. Suspect car? Okay. Watch that guy. Watch that guy. I need hands. Shake hands.
Hands.
Walk backwards now.
Right, Brett's going.
Walk backwards. Walk backwards.
That dog
Walk
spicy.
backwards.
Look at that.
Walk backwards.
He wanna bite him.
Walk backwards.
He's that bright ass.
Stay close.
Keep walking. Keep walking backwards. Keep walking backwards.
Come on.
Stop.
He right
Go
fucking
down to
here,
your
nigga.
knees.
I'm currently pursuing a master's in management information systems from
Yo,
Arizona.
man.
Cross your ankles.
Come on, bro.
Okay, put your hands on your head.
Was this nigga lifting weights or something
YouTubers.
before they got him? This nigga trying to get his waist right for the summer? Weird ass nigga. Why you got that on?
Whoops. Here.
Oh, damn.
Stand up.
Nothing in my phone. Get him good. I want to know what's on his phone.
Nothing for you. Stand up.
Cause nigga, you going double with little RT going. That means there's something in there.
Let's go right here for
Get
now.
behind him. He gonna do 120 plus, they said too. That nigga zooming.
Let's put him in here. Put him in here. It's unlocked. Is there anybody else in the car with you?
No.
I'm just gonna take your hat off real quick.
Why the fuck do you
Everything you say and do is being audio and video recorded in the vehicle.
Travis is secured in a patrol car, while another officer tells a nearby worker what he thinks happened here. Let's listen in.
So, the best I can tell is
Should we clear the Longview hole and route?
they had this guy in custody in Portland, Homeland Security did, for some big porn thing that
I know it.
on this guy.
Child sex trafficking stuff.
Yep.
Something.
Yep. He
And
got
so
some shit like that.
They
in
were
his phone. I
interviewing
knew
him
it.
in the car that we were chasing.
Right.
Has no cage in it. They were interviewing him. He was sitting in the front passenger seat. The bad guy was. The guy interviewing him was sitting in the driver's seat.
Okay.
Guy interviewing got out of the car for a second.
No.
Bad guy climbed over and said, "Peace out."
Wow. Thanks for the car. I'm out.
But fucking the car's got firearms in it. It's got computer.
Right.
It's got lights and sirens.
He could have acted like he was
And they
a cop
didn't want to pursue it.
and got it. And got somebody.
Blows my mind.
Unbelievable. That's Oregon for you, right? That's out
He
of
could have
Oregon.
lured a damn child into that shit. Lured a woman into that shit. He could have. It's all types of shit that nigga could have did. He could have shot up a school, a mall. Like, y'all can't let that nigga get a hold of some shit like that. Y'all slipping on y'all motherfucking pimping at that point. What the hell? With that bright ass highlighter shirt that nigga got on. Why y'all even let him get that close to the point where he could just jump in? Nigga, let me get out my car. I'm you good, bro? I'm gonna keep questioning you in a little bit. I'm walking backwards, looking at him. Let me see his big ass orange ass hop in a damn driver's seat. I'm yanking that bitch on. Nigga, what is you doing? I'm slapping the hell out of them. They if I was a cop, boy, I'd be getting fired. I'd be doing any and everything, nigga. Let somebody do some dumb shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got a guy that's in custody for federal charges in a police
Didn't want
car.
to pursue it. How stupid is that? Maybe he'll just get tired and pull off the road.
Oh, fuck. So I picked him up in Woodland, and he's passing cars on the inside shoulder. We finally lit it up at Clam River Road. Yeah, Clam River Road. After once our admin said, "Pursuit authorized.
Right.
You need to stop this car."
Yeah.
And then it was kind of fun.
There could be some good
Ain't like
dash
shit
video in
like
this
that.
one.
There should be.
Back with our suspect, officers have pulled Travis out of the patrol car for a search when the 43-year-old tries to make light of the situation.
Undo the straps.
Where's the straps at?
The straps that go around the side makes it easier. See the straps?
This nigga know how to take his pants off.
You need help? No, I got him. I need to get him first. Yeah.
I ain't never seen a white man ashy. I ain't never seen a white man ashy. Mr. Diddler orange shirt man
You need help? No, I got him.
is ashy. How? As a Caucasian man, how do you get like that? My nigga, you ashier than damn.
I need to get him first. Yeah, I gotcha. Yeah. Want to have him turn around right now, dude? Yeah, please. Travis, go and turn around, man.
How tight them damn glasses is gripping into this nigga head. That shit got a permanent indent in his shit. I know his hat do too. This nigga whole body red right here. His hat come off. That shit pure white. This nigga look like he'd never take his shit off.
Okay. Alright, man, go ahead and face that way. You do anything? He wants to go to the hospital, so we gotta take him to the hospital. We're sit on him there and we'll book him there and whatever happens after that.
Damn. Put it back on his head. Oh my gosh. Nigga, cut that shit off. Where was his hair at in the beginning? Because I didn't see... This nigga had a...
You do anything? He wants to go to the hospital, so we gotta take him to the hospital. We're sit on him there and we'll book him there and whatever happens after that.
Oh my gosh. How to put that for the control. Put that for
Hands up for me if you can. Nothing in your shoes? Alright, go ahead and hop back in there, okay?
Did you twist that or something? That's fighting the shit. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna go ahead and just take this. Do you got any ID or anything on you?
In my wallet. Whatever my wallet is.
Wallet's in there? Okay.
Wallet might be in the car still. Okay.
Good to go?
Sorry, just twisted something.
There you go. Alright, there you go. Hop in there.
This won't make these for tall guys. I'm not going anywhere. You don't have to do that.
What's up?
You don't have to buckle them. I'm not going nowhere. I promise.
Oh, that's that. I don't really have a choice. I gotta buckle you up, man.
Okay. I gave my best shot. I'm not going nowhere else.
That's not funny. Nobody wanna laugh.
Court records show Travis, a registered sex offender, was on probation stemming from a 2008 federal conviction and a previous state conviction for sex.
This nigga been a minor. I mean, what? This nigga not been a minor. This nigga been liking minors since I was young. I'm not gonna say my age, but since I was young.
Related crimes. Federal investigators responded to his home in April of this year after being tipped off that Travis was allegedly storing and sharing illicit images of minors. The 43-year-old was transported to a hospital and later taken into custody on an outstanding warrant and federal charges. He's expected back in court this summer.
And that nigga gonna get right out because why? Drug dealers get more time than they do. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that good shit. It's the end of the video.